Got a new $50 investment. We'll see how it turns out. Well, the first thing I'm going to do is check to see if I've got spark. There was no battery in the old unit, so I've got it hooked up here. And now I'll see, I've got my spark tester. Try to jump this starter and see if we've got spark. There might be a safety. If I don't, it might be a safety. Okay, yeah, there's probably a safety that's keeping it from sparking, so anyway, it sounds like it's got good compression. I don't have as much time as I'd like, so I decided I'd better at least see if I couldn't get the deck off it and try to put it on my other John Deere here and change it from a 42 to a 48-inch cut, if nothing else, and then buy a little time to see if I can get the tractor running. Well, note to self, make sure you take some measurements before you go ahead and think you're going to be clever and swap decks. About all it yielded me was an opportunity to grease this center hub once I got it out from underneath this unit, but my other John Deere is 4 inches shorter between the axles, and this thing won't begin to fit. So back to trying to make a runner out of this one. Decided to get my idiot light out. I'm still using the truck battery to make all my power, but I was excited to see that I've got one of these 15 amp fuses appears to be opened up. You can see that power, that fuse is good. That one's got, but this post here doesn't light up. And this one does, so I'll try that fuse and see if maybe we can't do some good. I can hardly contain myself. When I went to put that new fuse in there, as soon as I put the fuse in, because I've got both brake switch and clutch made, and I've got a bungee cord here making the seat switch, when I put that good fuse in there, I started hearing a relay click together back and forth as I was making connections. So that tells me it's maybe the ignition relay that's critical to making everything work. So wish me luck. I must have opened up a connection someplace. Yeah, my problem was I forgot to hook up the starter coil wire. So now I'll try the key switch. Holy cow! That's exciting. Now I just got to get the fresh fuel into it, and this baby might run. I just wanted to add that through all this, the old fuel is below the pickup tube in here, and in addition I had the fuel line off the carburetor so that it if it did pick some up, I wouldn't continue to put bad fuel into the carburetor. And again, the shut-off wire wasn't on, so that would have helped prevent it as well. But I'll try to get the fresh fuel in it and see what happens. Success! My last check tonight will be to see if the electric clutch works to engage the deck.